So good morning, class 7 children. Today we are, after completing chapter number 13, we are going to continue with the back exercise. So in exercise, question number 1 is classify the following as motion along a straight line, circular or oscillatory. So you may identify on the basis of the motion straight line, circular or oscillatory. First is motion of your hand while running. So if you are running, then what kind of motion you have? Can I have the answer? Kindly raise your Nishchay. Yes, Anya, tell.
Ma'am, oscillatory motion.
I am just writing the O only. It will be the oscillatory motion. When you are running and your hands are going upward, forward, backward, forward, then it will be the oscillatory motion. Motion of the horse pulling a cart on a straight road. Yes, tell me, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am. Straight line.
It will be straight because already it's given that a straight road is straight. Motion of a child in a merry-go-round. In a merry-go-round. You know, merry-go-round, he has to move in a circular way. So the motion will be a circular. Motion of a child on a seesaw. If the child is on seesaw, you have seen the seesaw?
Oscillatory.
It will be oscillatory. Okay. Motion of a hammer in an electric bell. Again, oscillatory is
Oscillatory.
yes. Motion of a train on a straight bridge.
Ma'am, straight.
It
Then
will be a
straight.
straight. Okay. So on the basis of these, you can differentiate that which type of motion it exhibits. Next, which of the following are not correct? Not correct, you have to tell.
Ma'am, second speed is equal to distance by time.
It's
Okay,
also incorrect.
Wait, beta, you have to tell which is not correct. Incorrect. First is true. The basic unit of time is second. It's true. Every object move with a constant speed. It's also not true. It's not compulsory for each and every object to move with a constant speed. Number 3. Distances between two cities are measured in kilometers. Yes, it's okay. Time period of a given pendulum is not constant. Okay. Speed of a train is measured in meter per hour. No, it is. Can you tell me, Vedika, what will be the units of it? Yes, it will be meter per instead of hour. What will be here? Meter per
minute.
per second. Meter per second will be the unit of a, or you can write down kilometer per hour because the train hai na, train is moving. So you may write down it will be a kilometer per hour. Okay. Let's move to question number 3. Yes, Nishya, read this question number 3. Not audible. A simple pendulum takes 32 seconds to complete 20 oscillations. What is the time period of a pendulum? So time period, you have to find it out. And to find the time period, we can divide it. Divide, how it will be done? 32 divided by 20. Continue with it. What will be the answer?
1.6.
Yes, the answer will be 1.6. But you have to give the units. It is in time period. So time units will be second. Okay. No full stop is there. So children, before doing it, you have to write down the formula also. A simple pendulum takes 20 seconds. Time taken upon number of oscillation. This is a formula. So time taken is 32 seconds and the number of oscillation is 22 oscillations. So we may write down that is 1.6 seconds. Let's go for the next question number 4. The distance between two stations is 240 kilometers. A train takes 4 hours to cover this distance. calculate the speed. So children, first of all, you should know the formula of speed. Speed equals to distance upon time. You know the formula of this speed. So you may find the speed now. Speed will be equal to how much? How much is the distance? Tell
Ma'am,
me
speed
fast.
equals to distance covered upon time taken.
Yes, 240 upon distance is how much? 240 is the distance
240 kilometers upon 4 hours.
upon 4. So can I have the
Ma'am,
answer?
the answer is
60
60
kilometer.
kilometers per hour.
60. Yes, it will be kilometer per hour. Yes, it will be 60 kilometer per hour. But it's the simplest one. Others can also be there. Maybe some more questions will be there in which you need to change the units. So I think you know how to change the units. That is from kilometers to meter and from meters to kilometers, maybe from hours to seconds or hours to minutes or seconds, whatever can be there. Let's switch to the next question, number 5. Third we have done, 4. Now the 5th. The odometer of a car reads 57,321 kilometer when the clock shows the time 8:30 a.m. What is the distance moved by a car? If at 8:50 the odometer reading will be this, calculate the speed of the car. Okay, beta. We need again the same question is there. We need to calculate the speed of the car. For speed, what we need? We need distance and time. तो distance कहाँ से आएगा आपका? दोनों को subtract करिए. 57336 minus 57321.
That's
How much
15
will be the
kilometer.
distance? Yes,
15
how much will be the
kilometer.
distance?
Ma'am, 15 kilometer.
Yes, good. Distance will be, मैं यहाँ से अलग से लिख लेती हूँ. Distance will be 15 kilometers. Okay. उसके बाद हमारे पास क्या है? Time कितने? Time was 8:30 a.m. and 8:50 a.m. Time कितना आ गया हमारे पास? Time how much? 8:30 से लेके 8:50 के बीच में कितना टाइम है?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. अब आप ध्यान रखिए बेटा, here are the minutes. ये आपका टाइम जो है वो मिनट्स में है और आपको टाइम को किस में चेंज करना है? Because here
Wallace
distance, yes, hours में चेंज करना है. How you can change into the hours? Can you give me? अगर हमें मिनट्स को आवर्स में चेंज करना है.
Ma'am, will divide them both with the 5.
5? Why 5?
Ma'am, because ma'am, we have to take the simplest form.
What? How many hours are there? How many minutes are there in a 1 hour?
60.
Ma'am, 60 minutes.
So why you are saying that it is 5? So it will be 1/3. Now it will be R, 1/3 R. Okay. So I think now you can do it. Distance is 15 kilometer. And time is 1/3 R. Now you have to calculate the speed. अब आपको speed calculate करनी है. Calculate the speed for it. Formula of speed you know. इसके बाद का नेक्स्ट पार्ट मैं यहाँ पे कर रही हूँ. स्पीड का फॉर्मूला एवरीबडी नो इट. So your answer will be 45. Three will be in denominator, it will move in numerator. So your answer will be 45 kilometer per hour. Okay. Question number 6 is, Salma takes 15 minutes from her house to reach her school on a bicycle. If the bicycle has a speed of 2 meters per second, calculate the distance covered. It's very simple. But before doing it, children, you have to find out check the units. That units should be same. Calculate the distance between her house and the school. So आपको distance calculate करना है. The formula for distance will be speed into time.
Speed multiply
Simply.
time.
Yes, very good.
30 meters the distance.
No, beta. No. It's wrong. I am telling you to change. Time is in 15 minutes. Minutes से पहले आप किस में change करेंगे? Seconds में change करो because speed is meter per second. Mind it. पहले आपको 15 minutes को किस में change करना है? Tell me. किस में change करोगे? Time is 15 minutes. (15 multiplied by 60). That will be equal to कितना हो जाएगा?
Ma'am, 910.
900 seconds. Okay. And now the speed is 2 meters. Speed आपके पास कितनी है? 2 meter per second. अब आप distance कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए. Simply distance का फार्मूला क्या है? Speed multiply by time. Calculate it. So what will be your answer? 900 multiply by 2. Your answer will be ये हमारे पास
1800.
meters. And if you want to change it into the kilometers, what you will do? If you want to change it into,
Ma'am, we have to divide it from 1000.
very good. You have to divide it by 1000. So answer will be 1.8
1.8.
kilometer. Very good. So the answer will be 1.8 kilometers. You may write down, children. Children, see. Question number 7 is show the shape of a distance time graph for the motion in the following cases. A car moving with the constant speed. So here I have taken the distance on x-axis and time on y-axis. If the car is moving with a constant speed, then what will happen? The graph will be a straight line. There is no change in it. Okay. And after that, number 2, a car parked on a roadside. Suppose we have taken a car up to 100 kilometers and there we have parked it. So car is not moving. It is constant. The speed is 0. So means after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, the speed will be 0. It has not covered any of the distance. So your graph will be like this. That will be a parallel to x-axis. Is it clear? Next is, which of the following relation is correct? So you have to tell me which is the correct one. So I think second one is correct. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So let's continue with the next part. Number 9, the basic unit of time is, the standard unit of time. Can I have the answer? Kilometer per minute, kilometer per hour,
Kilometer per hour.
meter per second. What can be the answer for it? It is meter per second. Standard unit, basic unit has been asked. It is meter per second. Next, children, question number 10. You have to find it out. Just solve it fast so that we can continue with the question number 10. So the answer for question number 10 is 25 kilometers. Okay. Next, children, question number 11, 12, 13. Let's see what to do in these questions. Again, you have to observe the figure and you have to tell that which two vehicles are moving with the faster speed. Obviously, jiska graph upar hoga, that is moving with the faster speed. Okay. And rest, Question number 13. Children, do these questions only. Question number 3 to 7 in your notebook. Okay. So this is your today's work.